To understand the future of digital marketing, we have to look at how buyers are changing their behavior. They are abandoning traditional search bars and asking complex questions directly to AI answer engines like ChatGPT and Perplexity. Many companies react by simply adding GEO to an existing SEO manager's job description. This is a mistake. GEO occupies unique territory. The platforms operate differently. The ranking signals are new, and the skills required to win do not map cleanly onto traditional search roles. We are going to replace outdated search metrics with a functional end-to-end GEO workflow built from the ground up. To execute this strategy, you will need two things: administrative access to your CRM and a repository of internal, unpublished company data. Without a dedicated strategy to feed these systems, your brand's share of voice will disappear from the AI conversation. The first step is fixing how we measure success. Standard analytics dashboards rely on click-through rates, which makes them blind to how AI referrals actually happen. This creates an invisible referral chain. A buyer gets a complete answer from an AI, then navigates directly to your site via Google or direct entry. Your software loses the trail at the final step. Since the chain is invisible to code, the solution is self-reported attribution. We have to ask the buyer directly where they found us. Update your lead capture forms immediately. Add AI chat as a specific response option to your "How did you hear about us?" field. This manual step triangulates true buyer behavior, allowing you to build a legitimate ROI case for your GEO investment. The brain of this strategy is a centralized knowledge base. This is what provides the AI with the context it needs to recommend your brand. A frequent error is uploading your existing blog posts and website copy. If that content is already public, the AI models have likely already ingested it. Success depends on what the AI has not seen, non-public data. This includes sales call transcripts, support ticket patterns, and internal customer research. Public data results in generic AI outputs. Proprietary data introduces novel concepts to the model that your competitors cannot access, creating genuine brand differentiation. The strategist's job is to continuously mine these qualitative insights and feed them into the knowledge base. This internal data is the dividing line between commoditized AI answers and assets that actually move the needle for your brand. We also have to change how we target users. AI assistants are not search engines, and the way buyers interface with them is fundamentally different. Contrast a typical 3-word SEO keyword with a typical AI prompt. The prompt is often 20 words or more, containing a specific scenario and a question with deep context. These prompts reflect the buyer's actual thought process. Variables like team size and specific pain points act as data anchors that the AI uses to formulate its answer. Your next task is to map out 10 specific scenario-based questions that your ideal customers are currently asking AI assistants. Use these prompts to measure your share of voice. This tells you how often your brand is cited as a solution compared to your direct competitors. This chart identifies a visibility gap. If a competitor is being cited 60% of the time and you are only at 15%, you have identified exactly where your brand is losing the conversation. These visibility gaps become your content briefs. You are writing specifically to close the distance between your brand and the competition. Strategic prompt design represents a distinct analytical process. You are reverse engineering the buyer's context rather than just matching a keyword. To turn this theory into a routine, you need a rigid weekly schedule. Monday and Tuesday are for data. Pull your share of voice reports, flag any movement in citations, and analyze the competitor content that is driving the AI's recommendations. Wednesday and Thursday are for production. Brief the content engine on your priority gaps and review the drafts against your proprietary knowledge base for accuracy. On Friday, check your CRM for new AI chat leads and log new internal data, like sales call insights, back into the vault for the following week. Maintaining this closed loop separates a revenue-generating GEO program from one that is simply guessing. By following this workflow, you move from chasing traffic metrics to actively managing your brand citation rate. The system relies on 3 pillars: self-reported CRM tracking, a proprietary data vault, and 20-word prompt mapping. For your next steps, update your website lead forms today and begin collecting your internal sales call transcripts. The way buyers find information has changed. Companies that build this GEO infrastructure now will hold a structural advantage over those that treat AI search as an afterthought.